Erin is at a restaurant. She eats cookies. She eats ice cream. She eats cake. Where is Erin? Letter B. She is at a restaurant. Erin eats letter C, dessert. What food does Erin eat? Letter A, cake. Erin does not eat. Letter A, pie. Erin probably also eats letter B, chocolate.